Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I am Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very important.
Yes, English conversation at work. We use English at work every day, with coworkers, with managers, with customers.
Do you feel nervous at work? Don't worry. We are here to help. We use simple English, easy words, short sentences.
Perfect for beginners, A1 and A2 learners. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more lessons.
Ready to speak English at work? Let's begin.
Let's start with greetings at work. This is the first step every day.
You walk into the office. You see your coworker. You can say, "Good morning." This sounds polite and friendly.
In the afternoon, say good afternoon. In the evening, say good evening. You can also say hi or hello.
At work, good morning is very common. Let's hear a short example.
Good morning, Emily.
Good morning, Paul.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very simple, very natural. Now let's practice. Repeat after me, learners. Good morning.
Great job. Now again, how are you?
That sounds nice. Now let's talk about small talk. Small talk is short and friendly. You do it before work or during a break.
You can talk about the day or the weather. For example, it's busy today or it's cold today.
Let's try a conversation. Hi, Emily. How's your day?
It's busy but good.
That's good to hear.
How about you?
It's okay. Lots of emails.
Too many emails.
Yes, emails never sleep.
That's a good joke. Now practice with us. Repeat, learners. How's your day?
Well done. Repeat again. It's busy.
You sound friendly. Now let's talk to a manager. This can feel scary, but we keep it simple.
You can start with a greeting. For example, good morning. Then say your reason. I have a question or I need help.
Let's see an example.
Good morning.
Good morning, Paul.
I have a question.
Sure, go ahead.
I need help with this task.
Okay, I can help you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Very polite.
Yes, polite English is important at work. Let's practice. Repeat, learners. I have a question.
Great. Another sentence is, I need help.
Excellent. Exactly. Well done. Everyone needs help sometimes.
Yes, even teachers.
Especially teachers.
Haha, that's true. You can say, can you help me? This is very common.
That sounds very polite. Let's hear a short talk.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I don't understand this email.
No problem. Let's read it together.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Easy and friendly. Now you try. Repeat, learners. Can you help me?
Nice speaking. Another one is, what do you need?
Now let's talk about work tasks.
This is very important. You can say, I'm working on this, or I finished the task. You can also say, I need more time.
Let's hear an example. Emily, how's the report?
I'm working on it.
Okay. When is it ready?
I need more time.
That's okay. Take your time.
Thank you.
Good communication.
Yes, simple and clear. Practice time. Repeat after me, learners. I'm working on it.
I finished the task.
I need more time.
Great job. You are learning fast.
Now let's relax. Break time English. You can talk about food or plans. For example, what are you eating?
Or, do you like coffee? Let's listen. What are you eating?
A sandwich.
Looks good.
Do you want some?
Haha, yes, please.
Sharing food at work. That's a good workplace.
Practice with us, learners. Repeat after us, learners. Do you like coffee?
I'm eating lunch.
Looks good.
Nice and natural. Well done. Now it's your turn to speak, learners. We will ask questions. Please answer out loud.
You can pause the video to give answers.
Question 1. How do you greet your coworker in the morning?
Question 2. Your manager asks about your task. What do you say?
Question 3. You need help. What do you say?
Last question. It's break time. What can you ask?
Great speaking. You were doing very well. Today you learned English for work.
You learned greetings, small talk, asking for help, talking about tasks, and break time English.
These phrases help you every day, at the office, at the shop, or any workplace. Practice these sentences daily.
Say them out loud. Write one sentence in the comments. Tell us about your job.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Mr. Perfect Teacher.
We make new lessons every day.
Thank you for learning with us. See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.